So according to the given data, the star is emitting a wavelength of 5000 angstrom units and is approaching Earth with a speed 1.5 into 10 power 6 meter per second. Now we have to calculate the change in wavelength of the radiation as received on Earth. So according to so we know that lambda 2 is equal to lambda 1 into 1 minus v by c. So from this I can write 1 by v by c is equal to 1 minus lambda 2 by lambda 1, and this is nothing but lambda 1 minus lambda 2 by lambda 1, and lambda 1 minus lambda 2 can be taken as delta lambda by lambda 1. So the change in wavelength basically becomes lambda 1 times v by c. So here the wavelength emitted is 5000 angstrom units, and speed with which it is approaching Earth is 1.5 into 10 power 6 meter per second, and speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8. So this gives us 25 angstrom units. This is the answer. This is a change in wavelength.